Hello friends, welcome to our channel Tech Icon Place. Today we are going to check Nothing earbuds. This box is in black in color, but it actually the earbuds inside is white, and it comes in two colors. These earbuds comes in two colors, white and one more is black. Let's open this box. Here we go. We have our earbud case. It is white color and also the transparent case. And here let's remove the sticker. You can see clearly what we have inside. Let's open this box. We have inside a pair of earbuds. Let's open. We are getting additional two ear tips with this, small and large and medium with the earbud. We are getting one type C charging cable with this, and it is colored in white, and also the quality of this charging cable is very good. The unboxing experience of this Nothing earphones and Nothing phones are different and also feel good. We are getting one manual with it, and it is all written in a different font style. Maybe it's a digital font style. And we can see all the instructions how to connect the earbuds and all. So if we don't know how to use, we can go through this manual and we can easily connect. We can scan this image and download the application, and we can manage many things from the applications. We will check the application at the end of this video. You can see all these instructions, how to adjust charging and everything. And we are getting one book with this, small book. Maybe it's a warranty centers and everything. This transparent feel look good, will be really nice. And we can see complete earphones from the case itself. You can see the charging indicator inside this case, which is blinking in a green color. We can estimate the charging level with this. It changes the color when it is fully charged and when it is in charging mode, and also it will blink in a different color when it is in pairing mode. We can see some color indication on this earbuds. You can see white and red indication on this earbuds. Here we can see the red, and this side we can see the white color. White is a left side earbud and red is a right side earbud. You can see that, and these two charging pins are attached to charging case pins with the help of magnets. It will keep attached with the magnets, and also the door also get attached with the help of magnet. The stem of these earbuds are transparent here. You can double tap on this earphone to play and pause, triple tap for the next track, and tap and hold switch between the noise cancellation on and transparency and noise cancellation off. We can slide on this stem to increase and decrease the volume, and we can find more options in the app. So we can manage many settings from the app, and even we can change the existing settings from the app. Let's download the application from the Play Store and connect the earbuds and check some options from that. Let's open and quickly finish the setting. We call this earbud as a Ear 1. This uses 3 high-definition microphones, AI-powered environmental noise cancellation. The connectivity uses here is Bluetooth 5.2, and battery of this will support up to 34 hours in the case ANC On and 24 hours ANC Off. For entering the pairing mode, we have to open this case and press this button here. You have to press and hold this button to enter the pairing mode. Let's continue and allow this option. While it is in pairing, we can see the indicator color changes to the blue color. Here we can see that Ear 1 buds are showing here now. We can connect by tapping on it. We can see some options here: double tap for play and pause, triple tap for next option, and tap and hold. Okay, save this first and set up. Tap and hold option is for switching between the noise cancellation and the transparency. Slide on stem for volume up and down. So we can see the sound here. Left is 100%, center is 90%, and the right is 100%. We can manage the updates from this option here. in-ear detection. This will detect the in-ear, and if it is not in-ear, it will pause the song or video. Latency modes, we can use this for gaming. Find my earbud. With this we can ring our earbuds and we can easily find our earbuds where we left, and it will play some sound. Let's check the touch options here. We can manage all these settings, and also we can change all these settings from next song to previous song. All these settings, tap and hold options also we can change. Many options, we can manage everything, mostly everything from this app. You can also manage the theme, dark theme, and notification from these settings here. And options also available here. The audio is coming from the earbud now. Sound quality of these earbuds are superb, I would say. So guys, this is all about nothing else. If you like our videos, please do subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates, and like, share and comments. Thank you for watching everyone.